So, in last section, we learned about tuple and we saw how tuple works. Okay, so now in this section, we will see about set. So, let me add uh, one more list. Let's say I'm just uh, let's say write my list, my list new is equal to, let me write uh, let me write, let's say write Rahul, then 9999 and 9999. Okay, so now you'll see that now I have a list here. Okay, and let's print it as well. So my list and new. Okay, now your list has 3 items but 2 are duplicate. Okay, and as we stated that set can only have unique values. So ideally what it should do, like when I convert this list into set, so it should automatically delete the values, delete your duplicate values. So let me see, so that okay, for to convert your list into set, so let's use a method called, let's say my set is equal to, there is a method called set, and now just add it, my list new. Okay, so it will convert a list into set. Now let me show you the type here, set. Okay, so it should show me like this type is set. Okay, now let's print it as well, and as we know that it should only print non-unique values, so it should print like Rahul and 9999. Okay, and as same as tuple, we should not be able to just modify the value. So if I write like my set and 0 is equal to John, so it should throw me an error. So here you can see that I have an error like object does not support item assignment. So I think we are good here, and we know now about tuple and set. Okay, thank you.